Online reputation management. What is reputation? What is a good reputation? Reputation is the best defined as a third party perception of you or your brand. This is because today people depend on Google to make decision for them. You go to any platform, it could be e-commerce platform, non-e-commerce platform, people are looking for reviews first. They come to Google, check for your brand and understand how people have rated your business. So let's understand what is online reputation management. ORM. It will take years to build a reputation and it will just take few minutes to ruin it. Did you know? Over 60% of the consumers look for online reviews quite often, at least weekly. A recent survey by Podium suggests that 93% of people say online reviews do impact their purchasing decisions. What is ORM? Why ORM is important to business? Why is it important to monitor and manage ORM? How do I monitor? How do I manage? How to lower down the negative reviews? What is ORM? Your online reputation is your image on internet. Online reputation management is about improving or storing your name or your brand's good standing. This is by countering, weakening, or eliminating the negative material found in the internet. Defeating it with more positive material to improve your credibility and customer trust in you. Why ORM is important to your business? Potential customer change purchase decision when they see bad reviews, negative blog posts and comments which can spread in various channels such as in search engine result, website, in social media networks. These can greatly affect your brand and your business. That is why it's important to have your online reputation monitored and have these reviews weakened while proactively building positive reputation. So you check for any business, they'll be having a platform, they'll be having an internal team where they will be monitoring the ORM that is happening on internet. Why ORM is important? First thing, your prospects are online, your competitors are online, your customers are online, your employees are also online. That includes your unhappy customers as well. So that is why online reputation is most powerful and important. Bad customer, unresolved customer issues, that brings the bad reputation and you are losing a big revenue because you're not responding to your query of your customer. You're not opening your ears to listen the problem of your customer. You're not trying to solve the problem of a customer. Why is it important to monitor and manage? If you do not control your brand online, someone else will. It's a means of defense and best practice for every business. The internet and search engine provide a platform for information search to be made available. People are always searching to learn more about your product, your brand. Online reputation management is always closely linked with search engine. Search engine optimization is an important tool in optimization and reputation management.